Okay, we're here right before the opening bell, so let's show you today's date right out the gate, so I wouldn't forget. So as you can see on there, use Google. Today's date is a Friday, April 11th, 2025. All right, market just opened. Let's open up the option chain, and let's see what we got. Today, let's go, since it's last day, let's go a little bit wild. Let's buy a little bit bigger instead of something small. Let's go right off the bat with somewhere in about, $400 there. Start out with $4 there, and let's target at 400 and see how fast we can get there. And of course, we're buying a call. And let's see how fast we're gonna get there. We try to get there as quickly as we can, and of course we're gonna go against the trend. It's counter trending again, and let's see if we can do this within 20 minutes. So we're in the red, minus $20 already. So let's add one more to average down, buying the dip. Okay, looks like it's still dipping. Yep, buy the dip, and it keeps on dipping. Sorry, minus $100, just like that, out of the gate. It's 135. Yeah, now it's 140 something. Gets worse and worse. 150. So when you play bigger, then you go minus quicker. So let's add a couple more. Average down to 346. Now it's over 200, just like that. We're in the negative, 226 or 230 something. So now we're up to 6 contracts. So let's keep it at that. So it's below $2,000. Yeah, I just want to show that, you don't have to go wild, have to throw in like 5-8 grand. So let's say, let's try to stay under $2,000. So let's keep it at 6 contracts, and let's see how that goes. So not just sit back and watch and see if we're gonna go back, if the chart's gonna go back up, and we'll be in the green. Yeah, the disadvantage of playing a little bit bigger is that you can also lose a lot more. So just right out the gate, it's already 100 and something, or 200, minus 200 and some dollars right away. So yeah, so I advise always start small. Let's say you have a $5,000 budget to play. Start with like $1 something, which is $100, 100 and something. Start small. So just don't go like, oh, I got 5,000. Let's start off with like 500 or something. Don't do that. Right? Start small, because you still got a lot of ammo to be able to average down and be able to, when the chart turn around, you'll be in profits, right? And when you risk little, then it's not as much pressure and less emotions involved. when you let your emotion get involved in the trade. Usually make bad decisions and mistakes happen, right? Okay, we are almost green. We only minus 36 now. Oh, even now. We're even. Okay, we're in the green. You can see, yeah, green, 60 some dollars, 80 some dollars already. Look at that. As you can see, we've only been playing for about 5 minutes. So we just keep it at 6 contracts and let's not add any more. We spent about 2,000 or so, about around there so far. We're over 100 right now. Over, it's 120, 144. Look at that in the green. And just like that, we're minus 100. Yeah, that's what happened when you play with more money. It fluctuates very quickly. So yeah, just have to be patient and let's just wait and see. Yeah, it was green and now it's minus 100 something, just like that. But I'm not gonna add any more. Average down. Let's just keep it at 6 contracts. I want to make sure to show that it is not about, you need a really big budget. You can have a small budget, but you can still play this. But of course, it's not too small, it's not like $300. Make sure you have a couple thousand, Best is to have around 5. And you can start small, like starting with like $1 something out of the gate, and then slowly play because you need all that ammo, right? Just in case. Just like that, we are right back to minus 200 and something. And it wouldn't be any fun or outrageous trading if we don't go against the trend, right? So that's the whole theme of this whole demonstration is playing against the trend. The trend. Counter trending. So we're still in the red. Okay, we're even now. So far, you've seen that I'm just sitting there and watch the chart. I stop at 6 contracts. So we're over 100 something right now. And our goal is to get to 400, right? So placing a sell order, 2, okay. Executed 1, got 3 in total there. Okay, so another one, so we're down to 4. Another one, we're down to 3 contracts now. We're holding only 3 contracts. It's already $300 some. It's on the uptrend now. Look at that. In the stock market, it's always up and down. So whether you buy one or the other direction, you still be able to win. But Of course, occasionally you're gonna get in in situations where the chart is going in one direction only, and that's when you get caught, and you have to get out quickly. However, we crossed the 400 earlier, just now, and it's now dropped back to 320 or something. So let's see, it's gonna get back to 400, and that's our target. So all I'm doing is just holding the last two contracts, because I already sold the other few, and I already got one selling right now, placing at $4.02. And our average price is $3.29. And let's see if we're gonna execute at 4.02. All right, let's cancel that. Let's sit and see. Okay, let's try to buy one here, since it's on the way down. Yep. It's got fill at 3.29. And of course, it's on the way up a little bit. Now let's see if it's going to swing upward. Before it was over 400, now down to 220 something. Now the P&L is under 200, 196. Let's see how long we're gonna get to 400 this time. There's no editing in this video. It's straight going at at normal speed, no editing. So okay, we now above 300 and holding 3 contracts. So P&L is 355 or 334 actually, because the P&L it updates every, I don't know how long, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or something like that. But you look at the number that it's switching right now. That's a real P&L. So it looks like it's on an upward swing. It's on the uptrend. Oh, it's over 400 now. 424, 436. So 2 contracts. Still got 1 left. Let's see. Okay, probably gonna sell this one too. Okay, that's it. We are done. And look at the time. It's only 6:43. Not even 15 minutes. I was thinking, see if we can get it to in 20 minutes, and we did. So today, it's the last day. So we're gonna play a little bit different. You can see. So yeah. That's it for today, and we will. I will have another video following this in the conclusion of this outrageous 0 DTE demonstration, and yeah, make sure to check it out, and I will see you in that video.